नमस्कार. माझे माझे मनोगत या माझ्या सिरियलमध्ये आपल्या सगळ्यांचे पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत. आजचं जे आर्टिकल आहे, आजचे जे एपिसोड आहे तो इंग्लिशमध्ये आहे. कारण हा एका न्यूजमध्ये पब्लिश झाला होता, त्यांनी छापला होता. एक वर्तमानपत्र आहे, त्यात हे एपिसोड झाला. तर याचं नाव द अदर साइड. Every morning I was driving down in our campus. We were staying in the IIT campus then. A security officer stopped my car. This person wants to go to next building to yours. Can you drop him? He is visiting the campus to this area. Oh sure, I said. He turned to the man and said, "Get in, she will drop you." I opened the door. He is and he has some work on campus. Oh, I could not say much as he was already in. "Thank you," he said. I noticed the softness and humility in his voice, and well, man, that's okay, I said. I'm going to that side only. I was looking at him of 22 years, very innocent face, soft voice. It's hard to believe that he is in police force. For the while, there was a deadly silence in my car. Recently, I was posted in this police station. I am new to this city also. Just listen. Your campus is so beautiful, he said. It is surrounded by the small hillocks and lot of greenery. And she took a pause and said, and there are many shades of green. I could not speak as if words blocked inside my throat. What is this? He asked. Today we had a painting competition for the children. Those are my students' painting. That day we had a painting competition, and all the students and some blank papers, material, drawing material, pencil, eraser, colors were there lying down in my car. He picked up the pile of papers and started looking at things. I looked by the corner of my eye. He picked up a pencil and some plain papers. He was lost in his thoughts. He was touching the pencil and the paper with me of the way the artists let their hands before starting to play. With lot of love and compassion, he was touching the plain papers. Can you stop the car? His voice changed. I was shocked. Feeling like if it's his voice coming from the deep valley. I could not defy myself from stopping the car. Oh my God, what he's going to do? Why he asked me to stop the car? How can he ask me to stop the car? And all the negative thoughts playing in my mind. He looked at me and started work on piece of paper. I was baffled. And in a few minutes, I found my sketch with all the minute details, including the steering. And in a few minutes, I found my sketch with all the minute details, including the steering wheels, the tree which is on the back side, the small leaves of the trees on the paper. Wonderful, wonderful. I could utter only this. I said, I'm very sorry for this drawing. The pencils, the drawing, the plain papers, and the beautiful nature, I just could not resist. I love painting, he said. I was very good in art, but my father, he was in the police. So in the riots, he just died. The responsibility of the family came on my shoulder, and I had to join the police force. क्या करें मैम, हमारा संपर्क अच्छे लोगों से कम ही आता है. हमेशा हमारा पल्ला चोर गुंडों के साथ ही पड़ता है. We people are with all the time the criminals. Even during my sister's marriage, I could not attend the full marriage. I had to go to the city because there was a riot. He stopped abruptly, and for me it was really a shock. We have prejudiced about particular professions. Can we imagine a policeman weeping at the time of his sister's bidai? Can we picture a police constable cuddling a small baby? A police personnel singing some ragas? Police inspector reciting the poems? Can we? I was so engrossed in my thoughts that the car slowed down without my intervention, and I took a much longer route. We reached his building. I stopped the car. He handed me a pile of paper. Oh my God! All the papers are filled with the beautiful strokes, and whole campus appeared on the paper. A student on the cycle, a schoolboy is just with his school bag, just singing and just running. A teenager girl chatting merrily. A professor walking lost in his thought. A cow licking its infant, and all other beautiful picture. Oh my God, this is beautiful. When did you draw all these things? You are busy in driving. These marvelous hillocks, the beautiful Nisarga inspires me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive, I shouted within. First, I had to forgive myself for the wrong prejudice and deserve the punishment. He said, thanks for the lift. And there was a silence for a while. Suddenly, I raised my hand towards him and hold his hands. This time it was shock for him. He can't imagine what's going on. I hold his hand and I said, young man, this hand is not meant for holding rifles, lathis or revolvers. God has created this hand for handling the brush, paintings, canvas, pencils, colors and all the art. He was shocked. His eyes became moist. At the edge of his eyes, tears were shining like a pearl. Let it roll down, young man. Create a space in your eyes and in your heart for the Kalakar inside you. Don't resist it, I said, and hurriedly I started the car. How otherwise would I find my house with a curtain of tears. नमस्कार.